Deutsche Bank upgraded the computer memory and storage company from hold to buy. They also raised their price target on the stock to $85 a share. That's up from $65 a share. And Brad, this all comes down to pricing for their DRAM chips here, improving faster than expected. A lot of that being driven by demand for AI servers and the critical part that their chips play in this, and they think it's going to have a real impact, material impact here in the coming quarters, with that pricing likely accelerating here on out.
Yeah, big dram tam story here for Micron. As you take a look at some of the returns that we've seen over the course of this year, largely mirroring what we've seen within the NASDAQ 100 on a percentage basis. One of the other things being called out, particularly within this report as well, and this is coming from the analyst Sidney Ho, basically saying, of course, as you were mentioning, the pricing power with semiconductor direct random access memory, that's the DRAM that we were talking about a moment ago, hitting an inflection point. And one particular quote that jumps out, they had a previous neutral stance on Micron driven by levels of excess inventory in the supply chain, weak macro and demand. They now see the worst of the down cycle behind them. And so that has given some of the aggressive production cuts by all suppliers, as well as pockets of demand strength, particularly in AI servers here. And so that particularly going to be interesting to continue to watch for this story with Micron technology.